In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create file upload forms in WPForms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to WPForms and select Add New to create a brand new form. This opens the form setup screen where you can begin building everything from scratch or use one of WPForms' ready-made templates to speed things up. Next, give your form a descriptive name. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear that helps you identify the form later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different purposes. After that, select a pre-built template such as the file upload form template, or choose a blank form if you want full control over the layout. Templates are useful because they save time and often include common fields you may already need. Once you're in the drag and drop form builder, look over to the left panel and find the file upload field under the fancy fields section. This is the field that allows visitors to attach documents, images, or other files directly through your form. Now drag and drop that file upload field into the form preview area on the right. Place it wherever it makes the most sense in your form flow so it feels natural for the person filling it out. Then click directly on the file upload field to open its field options panel. This is where you'll control how the upload field works and how it appears to your users. Under the General tab in the field options, you can manage how your server handles the uploaded file. This area is important because it affects the way files are accepted and processed, so take a moment to review those settings carefully. Next, click the Advanced tab within Field Options to customize the field behavior even further. This is useful if you want more control over the user experience or how the field displays on the front end. After configuring the field itself, go to Settings and then Notifications inside the form builder. This is where you control what happens after someone submits the form, including how file uploads are delivered with notifications. Scroll to the bottom of the notification settings and open the Advanced drop-down section. In that area, turn on Enable File Upload Attachments. This allows uploaded files to be included with the notification email, which can be very helpful if you want instant access to submissions. Once that's done, click the Save button in the top right corner of the builder so none of your changes are lost. Finally, open any page or post in the WordPress editor, add your WP form, and publish it. After publishing, your file upload form will be live and ready for visitors to use.